Beautiful. Okay guys, you gotta check this out. We got the MIG200Pro from Sefaspe, 7-in-1 welder in the shop to test out. We're gonna run it through pretty much everything, but you can't do aluminum yet on this. It's 220 and you got the optional 120 adapter. I like how they did it this time. The other welders, that was the opposite. Everything is new and improved. Get her all set up. It does not come with wire, so you're going to need wire. I already put a spool of wire in here of 0.030. This welder comes with extra wheels, different diameters. This thing's pretty awesome. You switch mode, you go to the SYN mode, so that's like an auto set feature almost. Go to stainless steel, flux, aluminum, MIG, it's already set. Your gas is argon, obviously, for aluminum. For regular iron, you go to iron, you can adjust the wire size. Go to 30, you can adjust gas. Automatically changes all your settings, so you get you really close. I will say that's a pretty sweet feature for a $400 machine for a small shop. That's pretty awesome. Alright guys, we got the generator running, power in. Got the Sefaspe 7-in-1 running here today. We're doing a little stainless welding. And look at that right there. Nice. Didn't even clean it up before I welded. Here's the weld we've been welding with the Sefaspe. Working pretty good on stick. 3/16 stainless. Beautiful. All with the old Sefaspe. Look at that. Beautiful. Clean that up quick. It's pretty sweet. Check it out. Let it cool off here, see if it'll pull up. Take a look at this weld here. Look at that. that welder. Not bad. Freaking awesome, actually. For a lift TIG. Look at that. That's nice. Just touching in the root here. Well, you welder guys can chime in how bad I'm doing. I don't weld or TIG stainless very often, but you gotta have it really clean. You guys always need to remember, you need to cut the tip off the TIG. When you're TIGging with the Sefaspe welder, you really need to play with the settings, and kind of got her dialed in there, but I was way too hot there. Pretty thick stainless. We're trying her out though. Actually, it's a pretty darn good welder so far. So it'll do lift TIG, MIG, fancy version, spool gun. You can do aluminum. Got stick weld. Stick weld really works well on this. Inverter one, 220 volt, 120 volt conversion. And that's their adapter, that one and that one. There's the specs. Had many of these already, and I'll tell you what, they work good in the field on a generator when you're in a pinch. Got that one, this one, got this one in a little travel bag. So what I would recommend doing is, if you're got any kids or anything or want to get into welding, go ahead and buy one of these. I mean, they're hands down, the technology's come a long way, and you can teach yourself a lot about these welders and how to weld. Plenty of YouTube videos. But I got 3 of these Sefaspes already, and I'm very satisfied with them. And I'm a Miller guy, but I do use these welders. So, thanks for watching.